Ryan from Bolin Development here, and let's take a quick look at console output in Java. Here I've already typed out a few statements that should print output to the console. Take notice that both statements work the same, except for one feature. The second set of statements includes the characters ln. This stands for line, and that set of statements will print the contents and then move to the next line. The first set of statements will continue to print on the same line. Let's take a look at the output. Notice that the first line is printing out one output 2. This isn't the desired result, so we will fix it. Let's change the first two statements to be print lines and see how much closer we are. We're certainly closer, but I would like the digits 1 and 2 to serve as line numbers. So for those, I actually want them to print on the same line as their counterparts. So let's change the first two lines to be print statements. We're almost there, but our lines are crowded together since we didn't specify a space. Let's add that now. You'll notice that I'm adding the space inside the string values, or those with quotes. That's because spaces after the digits would just be registered as white space, which won't be read in Java. We want to specify the spaces in quotes to make them a string. You could do this by creating another print statement with just the space, but we've already accomplished our goal. You've just learned the basics of outputting data to the console, and there will be more ways to do that in the future. But for now, this is enough to get us started without being overwhelmed. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to help me bring you even more Java content in the future.